I have to unmute everybody. Ba-ba-da-ba, welcome back. It's your favorite weather people here. We are tracking enhanced risk for severe weather, including the risk for very strong winds. This is, if I can show it, hang on. Day one. Here we go. This is the enhanced risk in question. This is over portions of Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado. This is for very strong wind, as I mentioned a second ago. There is a watch, I believe. Here we go. There's a watch in place for this area as well. I will pencil you over to it. This is for a 70% chance of 60 plus mile an hour winds and a 60% chance of 75 plus mile an hour winds. So what we're saying is strong and possibly damaging wind gusts are going to be possible later tonight. We also have a separate watch back over here to the east. This is for a 40% chance of 60 plus mile an hour winds. But the thing with this is there's also a potential for tornadoes over here, okay? And I believe this one to the south of it, so it's a 50% chance for 60 plus mile an hour winds and a 10% low chance for tornadoes. All right, so tornadoes are not the main threat today, but those really damaging wind gusts are. Okay, so if you're in a severe thunderstorm watch today, either this one or this one, you need to be staying weather aware. All right, I'm trying some new stuff over here. I have a scanner open. This is Howard and Mitchell County and Iowa. This is for this tornado warning over here that we were talking about. So there'll be a little bit more ambient noise. So when we're not talking and making noise, you'll be able to hear something to at least kind of know we're alive here. I don't know what this tornado warning is doing. I'm having a hard time understanding what its purpose in life is over here. Does the rotation go up with tilts? Is it gone now? Did they cancel it? Would you look at that? They just canceled the tornado warning. All right, so we no longer have any tornado warnings on the map. There's simply some considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. Also, I changed the alerts around a little bit. You can now see the alerts in the corner instead of them being cut off. And the beeps are different. So when we get a tornado warning coming in, it'll have a significantly longer beep, so you'll know it's a tornado warning. Flash flood warnings don't beep at all now. And severe thunderstorm warnings kind of sound the same. Destructive severe thunderstorm warnings, I believe, will beep at a higher pitch. And PDS tornado warnings and tornado emergencies, for a PDS warning, a siren will play, and for a tornado emergency, a longer siren will play. I don't think we've had a tornado emergency on stream that went out. But we have had several PDSs that went out.
So I'm seeing on this map that we have here,
Yeah.
we have distinctive lines where the different places are, but we don't have any names for anything.
Oh, like the states?
Yeah, have you noticed that?
I think I can maybe fix that. Maps for the default map here. Apparently, I cannot label a state on here.
Yeah.
Well, it says, here's boundaries, roads, mapping. Yeah, apparently you can't. Oh, wait, I was on the wrong one anyway. Yeah, I can't label the states. I can label the cities. I can put the city, I can have the city labels be like really, like a lot of them, if that's what you want.
Yeah, I can see some of the cities, but we don't have any labels for the states whatsoever.
Yeah, give me a second. I'll fix that for you. I I've spent the past few weeks that we haven't done anything. I've just been kind of messing with stuff. No, I don't want to make that my primary. Please stop. I don't like that. Why does it do that? You know what? I don't care. Do you like the satellite or do you want it to be like gray? I can customize. Actually, you can customize it how you want. Actually, here. I'll do it. Hang on. Settings, maps. Oh, it's on your. Okay, so it's on your end anyway. Oh, okay, that's cool. So the maps don't save per account. I knew it looked weird. Do you like the satellite like it is, or do you want to change it to like gray?
No, it's okay like it is.
Okay. So then you can go over here. Go to that sidebar
Yeah.
and just click off of that. So just click where you are. Just click somewhere that's not. There you go. Now scroll down.
Interstates, state highways, major highways, boundaries.
I think you want to scroll past boundaries.
City labels.
Yeah, so you can change the city labels where it says sparse. You can change that to like maximum, I think. And so that shows you a lot of cities. I don't think we can show the states, but that might help.
Hmm.
Now, if you want to get that sidebar off your screen, you can click tab.
What do you mean click tab?
The tab key.
Oh. Yeah, the only thing is like, where I see Denver, I know that's Denver, Colorado. Wichita, I know that's Kansas, but some of them, I don't know all of the states because they're kind of, that's not an
Yeah.
area that we know that well.
Don't worry, you do this long enough, you'll teach yourself geography all over
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, you teach yourself. Yeah.
Like, I didn't know where Nebraska was a few weeks ago. I figured it out.
Kansas City, Nebraska.
There's a what? There's not a Kansas City. That's Missouri.
Okay.
Actually, there's a little bit of it in Kansas and there's a little bit of it in Missouri. It's confusing.
Wichita is Kansas, I know.
Yeah.
Minneapolis is Minnesota.
Yeah, we've got a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings on the map. If we take a look at the active alerts, we've just got a whole long list of them. I don't think we have any considerable. Oh, we have a tornado possible. Is that North Carolina? No, this is over here actually.
6670 to
North
72.
Carolina.
It's this one over here. It's
There's something going on down here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Have you seen that little conglomerated stuff?
oh yeah, there's shindig down there. That's some severe thunderstorm warnings for like 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch hail. They have to. If I'm being honest, they've got the possibility to rotate. I don't think they're going to, but they have that. There's possibility because of that environment they're in. I think that's a report of a rotating wall cloud you have on your screen there.
Mm.
I'd have to verify that in a second. This storm over here, it's marked tornado possible, does have some broad rotations, but it stops about tilt 4. So not a concern, but what is a concern is that hail, because look at that.
What kind of size hail are we talking about?
The warning says 1.25 inch, but if you look at the reflectivity, it's like massive hail. What do you mean? So, did you just click on the warning? Not Shoal. There. You might have to zoom into the warning to be able to click on it. There you go. Now
When I
just click
zoom
on
in, we see.
Just click on the yellow box over there. by Austin, and then you can still see the details.
Oh, okay.
There's also a tornado possible one over there. That's intriguing. I completely missed that.
That's 1-inch size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds where I just clicked.
Oh, okay. It's the tornado possible there where that tornado warning was. That makes sense. So, where is this? This is in Colorado? Yeah, Colorado. This is near Fort Morgan.
What?
So my audio interface just decided it wanted to come unclicked and just fall off the desk.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I'll be right back, I guess. Here, you can have it. There you
I
go.
guess you're having issues, huh?
Yep, I'm having issues. All right, I'll be back in a second. You can take it over.
Okay. Um, so I'm just scanning through some of these small towns that are in this weather stuff. Storm Lake, Mason City, Austin, Rochester, Black River Falls, Marshfield, Appleton. At least some of these names we can pronounce. We've got a Fort Dodge here. All that's in the weather area.
Okay, I'm back.
Did you get everything fixed?
Yeah. So it seemed like it had been loose ever since I put it back up. But I didn't expect it to fall down. But good news is, when I hooked it back up a second ago, it seemed a lot better.
That's good.
Hey, we have a new mesoscale discussion in North Carolina. 4 of those storms is a 5% chance of a watch.
In North Carolina? Oh, yeah, I see the red circle there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Raleigh, Fayetteville, Jackson.
The note says scattered thunderstorms may continue to produce sporadic damaging winds over the next 1 to 2 hours. Chances of a watch, not likely.
I just clicked on the little area right above Raleigh. It says 1/4-inch hail, 55-mile-an-hour winds possible.
Yeah, they did plot the mixed layer cape on the meso-analysis with that. And I will say, that's 3,000 joules per kilogram of ML cape there. So it's conductive of severe thunderstorm development if those can get in the right kind of wind profile there. We have a considerable flash flood warning observed also. It's 2 words you never want to hear. This is in, is this Iowa? Cedar Rapids is in Iowa, right? Yeah,
I
Iowa.
think so.
All right, so this is in Iowa and, excuse me, a little bit of Minnesota here. So this is Oh, law enforcement reported. Okay. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. So if you're anywhere in this kind of warning zone here, let me find it. It is. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, so if you're in Austin, Elkton, Dexter, and Rose Creek, you need to be looking out for that flash flooding. Look at that. These really tall thunderstorms are going to be dumping some more rain on you. So remember the golden rule: turn around, don't drown. If you see flash flooding while you're out driving, whip that car around. Do not drive through it, because that is the #1 way people end up drowning in flash flooding situations like that. And then, of course, if you're out walking and you see flooding, don't try to walk through it, because you can get swept away. And if you're in your home and the floodwaters start creeping up on your home, get to higher ground. Report any flash flooding to your local National Weather Service office. I don't know what that would be for you. That's KARX. So that would be the National Weather Service in, I don't know.
That would be a good thing to have, a list of some of these national weather services in this area.
Well, I know. Oh, it's the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin. There's a way you can see it, but my program here doesn't show me the thing at the top of the warning. Because at the top of the warning, it always says, like, National Weather Service, La Crosse, Wisconsin issues this, or National Weather Service, Greenville, Spartanburg issues that. But it doesn't show it on mine.
So I have something here that says boundaries and states,
Yeah, what about it?
but it's not naming the states, right?
Oh, yeah, those are
Okay.
just your boundaries for the state.
The state lines, okay. I was trying to get some of these radar things off of here. Is that possible?
What? Oh, yeah, you can just go to your so here.
On the settings, but I don't see the radar, so I don't know.
Yeah, I misspoke. You have to get out of the settings.
Okay, have to get out of it. Um,
Scroll all the way up. And there's a back arrow there.
okay, I'm out of the settings.
Oh, wait. Okay, so click the 3 lines there.
Oh. Okay. That puts me back in the settings.
Yeah, I don't know how. Oh, okay, so there you go. And you can click the little radar icon there. And then get rid of it.
Okay. Yeah, because there's so many radar things, it covers over some of the towns and places that you're trying to read.
Yeah, and they don't have a way to, like, make them smaller, so sometimes they end up turning them off on mine, too. I would like
we've
to
got
note
a
the radar gauge here on this considerable flash flood warning has measured 4.15 inches of rain in this area
wow.
over the past 3 hours.
Are you seeing this, that they have a Colorado Springs, Rapid City?
Yeah, that's that
This
severe thunderstorm watch for that's a
red line area.
70% chance of 60 plus mile an hour winds and like a 60% chance of 75 plus mile an hour
Okay.
winds. Oh, hey, I got that spot on. I went back and checked it. I'm like, I got it spot on. My memory is good. That's also a 20% chance of 10 plus hail events, but hail's not a big factor today.
Okay. And what have we got going on over here with these blue areas? Milwaukee.
Those are special marine warnings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. wonder if this area is more prone to storms and hail and thunderstorms and everything because of the lakes being right there.
I don't think it has anything to do with it.
Oh, I just wondered.
I think it's just where the jet stream ends up at certain periods of time.
Mhm. Hmm.
But, you know, they say Tornado Alley is shifting.
I hope it doesn't shift our way.
I don't know, seeing a tornado every now and then wouldn't be too bad as long as it's not like a slabber.
Yeah, I'd rather it not shift our way.
Yeah.
I'd rather help report on other areas and not come our way. I would have thought that like Oregon, Portland, Oregon, I know they get a lot of rain and rainstorms,
Yeah.
but apparently they're not in the tornado area as bad.
Lots of
I
news
know
for
Seattle,
thunderstorm warnings coming
Washington.
in. This is why is it so laggy? Hello? Ah, here it is. All right, this is a weirdly shaped polygon, but this is for 1.5 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. This is in Colorado. Yep, nailed it. So if you're in nowhere, there's not anywhere. If you're in Prowers County in southeastern Colorado or Kiowa County in southeastern Colorado, you need to be watching out for that 1.5 inch hail and those 60-mile-an-hour winds. If we take a look at the correlation coefficient, you can see that hail is indeed showing up there.
I think you're going to have to put me back on the other thing that I was on because I'm at a loss here. I don't even know what state I'm looking at half the time.
We need to get you need to get you a printout map. I think we both need printout maps, actually.
Yeah, that would help. I mean, that way, if I wasn't sure, I could always take a quick glance at it.
Yeah. One time I did like print out notes for one of these, but I never looked at them, so I just gave up.
Yeah, I remember we did something for it.
It's easier just coming up with stuff on the fly when you need it. I don't remember. What did I pull up on this other screen here? I'm at a loss. Hang on. I've got to scroll back through my camera roll to find what I even did. Did I delete it? Hopefully I didn't delete it. Oh, mesoanalysis. Ah, I'm so smart. All right, here. I'm going to pull that up, and now I can put you back on this if you want. There you go.
Yeah, I think that helps a little bit.
I'm just going to do national mesoanalysis at this point because we've got stuff popping up everywhere. 100 millibar mixed layer cape.
Now, can we get some of these radar things off of here on this one or no?
You can, but there's also no way to get back to them. On Weatherfront, you can right click and it gives you the nearest radar tower as an option there. On Weatherwise, you can't do that. You can, I think you can just go to the national radar. You don't care about it that much. I mean, like, you don't go on velocity or anything here. Just go to composite up there.
Yeah, I'm staying on that one.
Yeah.
But I'd like to get rid of some of these others because they're just in my way.
Yeah. Yeah, just click on composite. There you go.
And that took them off?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know why you keep that thunderstorm outlook on there like you do. That would bug
Oh,
me.
do I need something besides thunderstorms? What have you got yours on?
I don't have mine on any outlook right now.
Oh, can you do that?
Yeah, you can just, yeah, literally, and you can click the X right there beside it too and just get rid of that menu entirely. It frees up your radar a lot. You don't have to have the outlook on.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Also, we've got something different that just happened over here in Virginia. Did you see that? West Virginia?
Yeah, that would be
I wasn't there.
That'll be a flooding mesoscale discussion. Do I have
Okay,
that?
that wasn't there before.
I don't think I have that.
We had the North Carolina, the red lining around North Carolina, and then that just disappeared. I mean, that appeared. Virginia and West Virginia.
Yeah.
It wasn't there before.
I love how all these radios are so quiet. I've been on the scanner for like 15 minutes. I've heard one transmission.
Hmm. Oh, there's a pop-up of something.
Yep, that would be a new severe thunderstorm warning. That's downstream for the previous tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning. If you recall, it did have a tornado warning on it. But now with this
Mesoscale
new...
discussion says heavy rainfall. They're not saying anything about hail is just possible 20%, wind 40%.
Yeah, that's on that watch over there. That watch over there is kind of iffy. I think it focuses on the just kind of the small possibility of tornadoes. This is K-Ra. This is in Raleigh. Look at this little bean. He wasn't there about
Raleigh,
an
North
hour ago. What?
Raleigh, North Carolina?
Yeah, this is just this little
Yeah,
bean
I
that
see
just
it
crossed over
popping
into
up.
severe limits over here. This is for 0.75-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. You know what I need? I need my hail chart. Where is it?
Mine says 1-inch hail.
You're on the wrong warning, I guess.
Oh,
Oh, here we go.
well, they're so close together.
Reporting hail size. This is penny size hail. This is why you need a chart. This is penny size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's going to, if it keeps going, it's going to run right across the Raleigh airport here, RDU.
Wow. And there's up above Durham, there's another one.
Yeah. This
Something there. Let's see what
this
that
scanner
is.
I'm on right now is really quiet. I've got to fix that. I have all the volumes turned up. I think I might just have to change counties. This is Morgan County in Colorado.
Oh, you're over here next to Denver, Colorado?
Yep. Is Raleigh in Durham County?
Raleigh, North Carolina?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know the counties that well.
I know Charlotte's in Mecklenburg County. Ah, I found it. Wait. It would be Wake County, and here we go. They put their stuff out here.
Oh, do you see this flashing down here at Wilmington?
Yeah, that's a oh, I have no clue what that is. Oh, it's a special marine warning.
Marine warning, yes.
Yeah, it's for
for
this
1 hour.
these winds that are heading off into the ocean here.
There's another one over here. 50-mile-an-hour winds.
Can we have EMD, please?
That's better. That's much better. The Wake
Story looks
the Wake
like
County feed
residential
is much
structure, nothing shows.
louder.
There's a bigger flashing one. Let's see what it says.
Car 2's on scene with nothing showing so far.
Hail,
We'll be on scene in a
3/4
second.
inch hail.
Oh yeah. I need me a Stream Deck
That's a
Plus.
marine warning. Yeah.
I really want a Stream Deck Plus because I can just change all these volumes without having to go up there and
All the other units
click
are
it.
on Ops 5, just a heads up. I'm sorry, on TAC 4747.
And I didn't think that they had that much hail when it's closer to the ocean.
You'd be surprised. I don't. Being close to the ocean isn't a
Having
component
to
of
do-
it.
Or east residential structure, nothing showing at the present time, meeting with homeowners right now.
There's a residential structure fire somewhere in Wake County.
17501, 17501.
Oh, sorry, reported. It's not. They said nothing showing. So I guess if the weather doesn't do anything, we could always start reporting on fire. I guess. Since I'm already
Copy.
listening
Yes,
to the
sir.
fire department radio anyway.
It's really odd. Some places you have the fire, some places you have the hail and the storm and the flooding. Other places you got high winds.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Copy. We're just a few minutes out. Fairview Cartesian for me.
I'm looking at the significant tornado parameter on mesoanalysis. It is a 0.5. It is the highest violent tornado parameter. Is at a 3.
Attention, command.
So you've got enough energy for kind of weak spin-ups, but nothing past that.
No, for I think someone's asking for the number that Duke Energy. I was gonna just pass that on.
I don't think that was on this call.
Yeah, well,
Got lots of SVRs just kind of dotted around.
Firewall in between the other two, so they'll be good. Once they pull those shooters, we'll be fine.
Headquarters copies. I'll call the power company.
Looks like a lot of little storm areas, but thank goodness they're just small storms.
There's a new severe thunderstorm warning in Lake Village,
No power.
Arkansas.
Hmm.
This is for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. You can see it here on the correlation coefficient and on the velocity.
1 and 2 are clear. Let's get 35 back in service.
You can actually see it's got
Copy.
some broad, very, very broad rotation. It goes up and tilts.
Don't forget to
That,
back, sir.
not on my bingo card. Rotation in Arkansas.
What happened to my what? I'm not able to click on anything.
What? Huh?
What did I do?
What are you not able
Oh.
to click on?
I don't know. I'm clicking on these things and they're not telling me anything.
You're not actually clicking on the box.
What box?
The warning box. You got to zoom in a little bit to be able to click on those
Oh,
and get it precise. There you go.
okay.
86 on 6.
That's 40-mile-an-hour in winds and half-inch hail. Wow. That's in Arkansas.
8 right on tax 48.
Mm,
Next side of Grand Route.
well,
Ladder 35 is in route on 48.
Yes, let's go down to surface tilt here. That's really surprising.
what?
That the storm in Arkansas is rotating. It's it's
Mhm.
high tilt kind of rotation here, but I mean, there's nothing that would I would think that would conduct a rotation in Arkansas, especially not here on the border.
Got something going on right there in the edge of Mississippi too.
There's no wind shear
EMFC 5
on the mesoanalysis, at least. I don't know of a single thing that would cause this to rotate. I mean, it is dealing with high CAPE values between 3 and 4,000. That's insane.
District 2 is on 48.
Some kind of cloud formation over here with in Laramie County, Wyoming. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
Pine
There's a
Bluff.
pool. This is about a 3 or 4-year-old juvenile. She is out of the pool, just vomited up a bunch of water. Currently breathing now. We're trying to maintain the airway. There are highways on 14.
I don't think going on there. It's just clouds.
What?
It's just clouds.
Oh, yeah. Trying to see what counties these are.
Hey, Cap, you still on 29?
How were we getting the counties before?
We weren't.
Oh, we weren't?
Yeah.
You mind stepping out here
Mm,
today? Be corner
okay.
strip.
I'm just gonna like take a wild guess at what these counties are. Here's St. Paul, here's Rochester. So I believe it would be either Freeborn. I think it's in Mower County.
Cherry dispatch, medic part 2.
Aha, I found it. Is this one of those dumb things where it's like a fire on the left and police on the right? I don't like those.
I don't know.
We're about to find out.
I found Oshkosh.
Oshkosh?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Oh, yeah, in Wisconsin.
Yeah, right below Appleton.
Yeah.
You used to say Oshkosh Bagosh.
Yeah.
Not sure what it meant, but.
Yeah, Fifth Ave Northeast, from 218 all the way up to the 2000 block. Would need a barricade. Okay, I'll be on my way.
Oh, I totally missed that. I believe they're talking about barricades that are related to flash flooding, but I just totally missed everything that just happened there. We'll see if they say anything else about it. This is in Mower County, Minnesota, where this considerable flash flood warning is.
That flashing that's just started?
I don't know where that is.
Oh, it's right there where my little cursor thing is. It flashed a time or two and then it quit. I don't know what happened to it.
20, checking your status.
I have no
It
clue.
disappeared.
446. 1807.
One 37, CSL 11.
Easter thunderstorm warning for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. This is in Montana.
Oh, you're over there. Oakland
Oh,
and
wow.
19th Street Northeast.
Yep, to
Between
the north
Oakland
and west of
First Avenue
Stanford.
Northeast, we'll also need one. Copy.
Not anywhere near Billings.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really north of Billings, yeah. So in Austin and Mower County, Minnesota, they are blocking off roads due to flash flooding. I do believe that is what's going down.
Oh, wow.
What?
I was saying, oh, wow, about the flash flooding and blocking off the roads
Oh, yeah.
that you were talking about.
Yeah.
I don't see anything going on over here in California or Nebraska or Utah or any of that. Well, there's a little bit of conglomerated stuff here in Idaho and Montana,
Yeah.
Wyoming. To look at South Carolina. It looks like nothing is going on in South Carolina.
Yeah.
Or Georgia.
Yeah, North Carolina's getting some pretty nasty storms up in by Raleigh.
Yeah, North Carolina's got them, but South Carolina's good, Georgia's good. Couple little storms in Florida, but nothing really big.
I might have fixed the quality issue. I hope I did.
There's some little stuff going on in Tennessee. Did you notice that?
I think it's just a flash flood warning, isn't it?
Probably.
Yeah, it's just a random flash flood warning. Where
Yeah.
is that? Is that near
I
Nashville?
was looking over here. Yeah, right where it says Tennessee on the map.
Yeah,
Franklin.
that's to the south of Nashville there.
Yeah, we've been all through there before. Just happened to notice it.
Great news! Colorado State University is now predicting the why can't I? Oh, I know why I can't hear it. Aha. Colorado State University is now predicting the quietest hurricane season in 13 years, if not longer. The Atlantic
Wow.
will be below average. The Pacific will be above average. You very rarely see a hurricane make an impact off the West Coast. So.
Have a priority 2 at the Woodlands at St. John's, 1771 Eagle View Circle. Respond to the Woodlands to the main door there for room 224.
07 copy. En route to Woodlands at St.
607 en
Have we
route.
not had anything new flash up?
Email of neck pain that fell
No,
yesterday.
not really.
There we go.
Updated severe thunderstorm warning.
Is that what that is? Updated for Iowa, Nebraska?
No, that's an update on that watch. They keep updating those. I don't know what they're doing. Let me,
I'm surprised Louisiana hasn't had any more storms than usual
oh yeah.
lately. 'Cause every now and then they get some really bad ones being close to the coast right there.
What's it? Is this Cresco, Iowa? Yeah, Cresco, Iowa.
What's going on in Iowa?
I'm trying to find a traffic camera over here.
Oh,
There are no available traffic cameras in this region. This is amazing. Where's Marshalltown? Marshalltown, Iowa. Not what I need. Doesn't face the right direction either.
Dexter to 500.
Dexter Fire.
All sunny skies on a lot of these cameras that I'm looking at.
We got 3 trucks
Oh.
out checking roads. Right now we are currently on County Road 7, just south of I-90. We got a lot of water coming over the road here.
So I don't. You just heard that was in Austin, in Mower County, Minnesota. They've got a lot of water coming onto those roads. So once again, we can't stress this enough. Turn around, don't drown. I need a flash flooding informational video to play.
yeah.
One 18 station.
118.
Oh, new considerable damage threat, severe thunderstorm warning. One of the first ones we've seen has just been issued. This is in Colorado. It's a continuation of a previous warning. Bring you over, I can show you that. This is for 70-mile-an-hour winds, a 1+ inch hail, and and a tornado is possible. If we take a look, okay, I don't see the tornado possible part, but you can see these winds are packing a punch. And this is not okay. Ignore what I just said. Are these not synced? This is weird.
607, that's crazy. I have no idea how that happened. Anyway, yeah, 607, we're on scene. You should see 4051 and the scheduled EMT.
I don't know what's going on.
573, and we're on scene.
Copy, on scene.
Here's another radar. It's also glitched. I don't know what's going on. Huh. Anyways, these are some pretty stout winds, so. If you are in Last Chance, Peoria, and Deer Trail, you need to be watching out for the possibility of a tornado heading your way. But I would encourage you to treat those 70+ mile-an-hour winds like a tornado. So let's go ahead and just get to your safe space now.
And where is that? Kansas?
This is in Colorado, Denver.
Oh, Colorado. Okay. Oh, that Castle Rock is in Colorado. I have seen 3 movies in the last couple of weeks. All of them are talking about Castle Rock, Castle Rock. And I wondered where it was, and they really never said.
Yeah.
And I see there's a Castle Rock right there in Colorado.
Oh, there you are.
Yep.
Oh, I hate this. You know what? Whatever.
Nothing much going on in North Dakota, and nothing much in South Dakota. Little tiny bit right there at the edge of South Dakota.
Yeah.
Not much going on in Oklahoma or Texas.
Oh, look at that. This is so cool. Here's some little bean activity. This is in Nebraska. And take a look at that. We were just watching a merger about to happen live. So here's this guy. He's cruising. He only popped up about 40 minutes ago. He blossoms. And then another guy up here popped up only about 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago, says, "Hey, how you doing?" He develops. Guy down here develops. And just now, they have clashed into each other. So basically, folks, this is what a cell merger is. And
So
in
are you
the-
talking about this Central City and Grand Island?
Yeah, if you
or
go
St.
back a
Paul?
few scans, north of Central City, that's exactly what I'm talking about. The two cells up here, they're just kind of merged.
Yep, I see that.
That's cell merger for dummies. Do we
Yeah,
have
they
a-
just kind of
yeah, look at this.
overlap.
There's another little bean down here, and take a look at the boundary. It's riding on that boundary. It looks like, yeah. And another little bean. It popped up about 40 minutes ago. It's also rocking over here. A lot of these have special weather statements on them. I don't have that turned on mine. I can turn it on, I
County Road
think.
7 underwater from 170th Street,
There you go. You can see the
to
special
the
weather statements on these.
west side of the curve.
We got a flashing light there.
So it's the County Road 7 in Mower County, Minnesota is underwater from that considerable flash flooding. So at this point, I'd be happy just covering the flash flooding and the severe storms because the flash flooding is about just as bad. We have entire roads underwater in Mower County, Minnesota.
Correct, from the west curve to the east curve, and then north to 170th Street.
Copy.
So is that right there in the corner where Austin and Mason City and Rochester and all that is?
What? Yeah.
Is that? Yeah, that looks like what it is.
That's where that considerable flash flood warning is. It's Austin,
Mhm.
Minnesota. That's in Mower County.
Station.
Also reports of power lines down in Adams, Minnesota. Ow, that hurt.
Did you check that out in Newberry the other night?
They have one.
Oh yeah, I saw they had some really electric storms down there.
90 westbound at
Mhm.
turn around and get some pre-warning lights.
So we just got added something over here in Colorado and Wyoming.
Dexter.
10-4.
Started
Uh,
flashing.
I don't
They've
see
added
anything.
some new areas in there.
These cells I told you guys merged just got a severe thunderstorm warning. That might have been what you were looking at. That's in Nebraska though. And so they are
No,
like
this was
full
over here
on.
in Colorado.
Okay. So this is for nickel size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. These guys have. Why are you shifting? Stay tight. This is for. I can't make this up. It's shifting again. This is for 60-mile-an-hour winds and nickel size hail. If you're in Fullerton, Clark, Silver Creek, Genoa, and Central City. Beware for the winds. These are two cells that have merged to create a, not literally a supercell, but a supercell.
Ooh.
If that makes sense.
Okay.
Considerable damage threat flash flood warning here in Colorado, south of Colorado Springs. It says radar indicated. I'm not really getting that one. But okay. Maybe there's more to it than meets the eye. So in the past 3 hours, 0.15 inches of rain has fallen here. I don't know why this is considerable flash flooding material.
Is that right there in the town? Maybe the reason they're considering it?
No, this is this is north of Colorado City.
Hmm.
It's down there by Pueblo.
Yeah, I see the Pueblo. I was thinking right there by Denver. Hmm.
I mean, maybe I need to keep my foot off the base of this thing. Maybe that'll stop moving.
So how many screens do you have going right now? All of them?
All 6.
Hmm.
The vertical one is split between 3 things right now. The main one's got radar. The touchscreen one has radar. The one on top of that is right now having Discord. The big TV has OBS, and the one over there by the steering wheel has you.
Okay. I'm not seeing a lot of changes.
Actually fired LEC. We're on 220th Street, just west of 630th Avenue on the north side of 90, and it's impassable here.
Alright, so we've got more reports on the scanner. You guys just heard of streets being impassable in Mower County, Minnesota.
LEC from house.
Are we getting any temperatures on some of these different places?
I can.
County Road
Give me a
I just
second.
wonder if everybody's having all this heat wave stuff like we are, or maybe the rain is cooling it down.
Yeah, where do you want temperatures from?
Our storm area, kind of. There in
Uh,
Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska.
so Colorado temperatures aren't that bad. 82, 81.
Hmm.
Nebraska, we've got 88, 93, 91, 92 near the storms. And up there in Iowa, we've got 83, 85, 86, 82, 77. The
Hmm.
dew point's really high, though. So we have the high 60s, low 70s, so there's lots of moisture there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, those seem to be about average temperatures, I guess.
Yeah.
Just giving you a preemptive status check. We're doing pain control. We'll be on scene for a few minutes. Temperature.
Marketing LEC to Rose Creek Fire. Information only from Adams Fire. County Road 4 between 620 and 630 is impassable due to flooding. Again, information only. County Road 4 between 620 and 630 is impassable due to flooding. Patient 1829.
Yeah, so you guys are hearing this like I am. Nana can't hear it. I wish there was a way I could pipe that audio through so you can hear it. There might be a way for me to, actually. Yeah, there is a way for me to. Okay, so you should be able to hear the scanner when it comes on. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I just
Okay,
now
cool.
heard it.
Fire.
Hopefully it doesn't come through twice on the stream.
County Road
Okay, it's only come through once.
3
Okay, so you can hear it
is
now.
impassable from County Road 7 to County Road 9.
County Road 3 is impassable from County 7 to County 9.
1715 Rochester.
Yeah, it's like I was saying, y'all are hearing this just like I am. We've got so many roads that are unpassable due to considerable flash flooding up here in Austin and Mower County, Minnesota.
Lighting up over here.
Yeah, it's an
in
update on that
Colorado.
considerable flash flood warning.
Some of this looks like it's going to expire in the next couple of hours too.
Yeah.
I don't see but one storm chaser around here.
Dexter fire to 500. 146, CSO 11.
We've got a few that I'm keeping an eye on.
Where?
I have no clue. Adam Lucio's near Tracy.
The intersection of 6.
I don't think you
Yeah.
don't have him, you don't have him turned on. Oh, you do. Okay.
Water coming over the road.
I did. I turned him on.
Okay.
This is Austin, go ahead. 650 and 220.
He doesn't seem to have anything going on.
Oh,
He's
he
got-
he's got blue skies for you. He doesn't have blue skies for me. He must have turned around or something.
Oh,
On mine, he's staring at a dark cloud over there.
wow.
Yeah, I'm all over by the southeast on the 13th Avenue southeast. Every single farm is full of water.
Oh, he's turning now for the dark clouds. Is that what you're seeing?
Oh yeah, you were behind me. That's what it was.
Well, I can only see what he lets me see, so.
Blooming Prairie is en route with a 76-year-old female who's
I
coming
think he's got
from
a
the
big wall of
nursing home.
some kind of clouds
Work
there.
done today, and daughter had called
Yeah.
the doctor that her magnesium is low and requires an emergent transfusion of magnesium. So we are en route to your facility for that infusion. Currently, no symptoms. She's resting comfortably. I've got a blood pressure of 157/69.
I just realized you guys can't hear the beeping anymore after I turn that off. Let me fix that.
With a pulse of 65.
Cool thing about the way I'm doing it now is you'll be able to only hear the beeping when I'm on Aguacero, so you'll only be able to hear the beeping when you can actually see it. Aguacero. Same executable.
George Tom Adam, 191.
Near 20.
Now you should be able to hear. Wait, you can't hear the beeping.
Toyota Camry, white in color, to Joseph Timothy Sparatori, 6099.
What the heck, man? Oh, I see what the problem is. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna delete. Then I'm gonna copy over here.
You can show me.
Then I'm gonna paste. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna.
He's on his cell phone, not wearing seatbelt, going around road blockades.
Of course, every time they put up a blockade, there's gonna be stupid people. So if you're like that guy who's on his cell phone and not having a seatbelt on and is going around the blockades, what are you doing?
I'm going to be away from the computer for just a minute or so. I'll be right back, okay?
All right, you're good. If a destructive severe thunderstorm warning gets issued today, I might actually get a chance to use my video that I made that I have not got a single chance to use yet. But don't worry, the use of that is coming soon. What is going on? Am I getting good speeds at least? Oh, yeah. That's not a problem. Oh, Lord. There's a button I'm looking for. Ah. Here it is. Here it is. You know, I forgot to... Yeah, it timed out like 2 seconds after you left.
Oh, wow. Is there a way to reset that where it doesn't time out quite so quick
Yeah.
later?
Yeah, I can figure that out.
We can fix it one day. Okay. So, anything new?
No.
46.
Okay.
Go ahead. You available for a phone call? Yep, give me 30 seconds. Get back to my car. Copy.
I don't even see any storms in Mexico, Harley. Wow.
You can see storms in Mexico?
Yeah, I just looked down here. Doesn't look like it.
Station.
135.
Yeah, Nana, we need an explanation. So, how come the bread is healthy, the lettuce is healthy, the onions are healthy, the tomato is healthy, the cheese is healthy, the patty is healthy, but the burger's unhealthy?
16th Street has been moved. Water's still on the road.
Okay.
You're like an expert at this stuff.
And there's still one there, correct?
Well, the only reason the burger wouldn't be as healthy is one, they say it's red meat, but you do need some red meat.
Yeah.
And two, it would depend on how much fat they add to it. It's only 10% fat. It's a lot more healthier than 20 or 30% fat.
It's true.
And it would depend on how it's cooked. It's not that healthy if you don't cook it done enough, but it's not that healthy if you cremate it either.
Yeah.
Into the
So,
basement of a residence. The resident doesn't appear to be home. 809 11th Ave Northwest.
the bread's not that healthy. I mean, bread really doesn't have much of anything in it for you.
That is true.
I mean, most time the bread for the bun is made out of white flour, which is all bleached out, has nothing in it that's good for you.
Yeah.
A lot of times those kind of buns, they don't even use milk, they use water. They use water, flour, and oil.
Yeah.
And the oil's not good, the flour's not good, and the water has nothing. That's about it.
Oh yeah, I just got reminded of this. I was monitoring the situation last night and I came across a completely unwarned area of strong rotation. And
wow.
nobody at the National Weather Service thought to say anything about it.
Huh. That's odd.
I went like 30 minutes thinking that should have been warned. It never got warned. It got an SVR at like the very end of its life, but I think it died after that. Also, we have more reports, if you were listening through our yapping, of roads being impassable. So, that is still in that, county in Minnesota. It's Mower County.
Wow. Are they saying how much rainfall they're getting or anything?
The warning, I can read it again. It says that, between 4.5 and 7 inches of rain have fallen, and additional rainfall amounts up to, half an inch are possible in the warned area. That was an update. They made that a few minutes ago that I didn't get a chance to read out, but that is what that said.
That's a good bit of rain.
Yeah, I mean, we've got roads that are completely impassable, so.
Mm-hmm. They're saying up to 7 inches and possible another half inch?
Yeah, it'd probably be 8 inches by the time it's all said and done.
Yeah, well, that's a good bit of rain. What about North Carolina? Do we have any flooding down there still?
I can check. Ugh. No, not really.
Just high winds?
Yeah,
Nope, saw something. It's flashing now.
that would be a new severe thunderstorm warning in North Carolina.
60-mile-an-hour winds and 1 inch hail.
Yep.
That's around Jacksonville, North Carolina.
Yeah.
Looks like several storms kind of overlapping each other right in there. Oh, did you know there was a place called Half Moon?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, look at my thing over there. You'll see it
Oh,
right
yeah.
there.
Half moon.
Yeah, Half Moon.
Adam's fire, go ahead.
I see some more flashing up here. I guess that's just
Adam's fire, go ahead.
letting us know what's going on there. Heavy rainfall.
Was it a new MCD?
You didn't see it flashing?
No, I didn't.
Yep, copy, go ahead.
Where are you looking? Do I need to get you some glasses over there?
I'm looking at North Carolina over here. I ain't
Oh,
looking at
you were
that.
still in North Carolina. Okay. I was up there around Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah.
Copy, thanks. Adam's fire to 500.
Dispatch from 607.
Computer Transfer 1 to Albert EMC.
Sometimes I catch stuff that you don't catch because I only have one screen to look at. You have 5 or 6.
I've got
And
6
while,
screens and like 10 things on each of them. So
yeah, and while you're looking at one, you might miss something on another that I catch on mine. So
yeah,
it's good to
it
have
works
2 sets
out.
of eyes. Yeah, it
Yeah.
works out good.
Adams Fire to 500.
Now, these the flood roads closed, are they are smaller roads or the big main roads, or have they said?
Most of the excuse me, most of the ones they've mentioned were county roads.
And see if they have any
Oh,
extra help
okay.
to send to Adams.
They're trying to get help for Adams right now in
Hmm.
Minnesota, where the flooding is just incredible.
Wow.
Adams Fire.
I'm assuming that it's because they're close to those lakes too.
Clear me from that severe weather
Yeah, I don't know, but as of
issues.
35 minutes ago, the rainfall amount in Adams is between 4 and 4.5 inches,
Yeah.
measured by radar. That's not a gauge. So the radar measurements, I believe, tends to be a little bit less than an actual gauge measurement.
Probably.
So yeah,
That makes sense. I mean, it's common sense, logic. It just makes sense.
yeah.
We could be wrong. I mean, I don't know.
Garbage dumping, if you can
Trying to figure out if
give that
they can hear the
gentleman a call,
beeping.
okay?
While you're looking I hear the beeping.
You hear the beeping?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
I hear it every now and then, so it's somebody who's probably hearing it too.
Yeah.
35
minutes ago, the rainfall amount in Adams is between.
And what is the beeping standing for now?
So I get a beep when there's a new warning issued.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Did nobody tell me my sound quality sounds like Buns?
Sounds good to me. I even
Is it
hear them
always-
talking in the background.
Public Works reports they don't have any tags.
Let me pull this up on my phone. It doesn't look like it's sounding like crap on the little meter. Maybe it's just my computer.
Mm.
We're about to
Everything I
find
hear
out.
sounds okay.
Affirmative.
All right, I'm gonna listen to myself.
And did you copy on the sandbag? I copied. They have them. Is there?
Oh, my quality is bad. Okay.
Down here or
Well, I was probably from where my thing fell earlier, and I never actually. It might not have gotten plugged in good again. That XLR cable.
Mhm.
copy.
It sounds good to me. I don't know
Well, you're
what
listening.
you're hearing.
You're listening to the headset mic. I'm talking about the professional
Okay.
studio microphone I have here. Let me see if I can
Okay,
fix that. I'll give it to you. I'll be right back.
Mountain County LAC to Rose Creek Fire. Adams Fire is requesting anyone you can spare to assist with Adams in sandbagging. In the stages for Rose Creek Fire, Adams Fire is requesting your assistance with sandbagging. Page time 1847.
Dispatch from 667. We're on scene. We do not
So the
have
good news is I identified the issue. The bad news is I don't know if it's one I can fix.
I'll check.
Oh, okay.
So the cable going into the back of the audio interface is. So the cable going into the back of the audio interface. Sounds like I fixed it.
Okay.
Okay, I fixed it.
Right.
So the cable going into the back of the audio interface was very jiggly, so like you could barely touch it and it would disconnect.
Okay.
Good news is I fixed that problem. So we are covered there.
141 station.
141.
Adams fired 500.
I saw you put a name in the log notes. Did we have a phone number for that person? 251-667. We've got a resident to let us in.
Go ahead, Adams.
Oh, check. Stand by. I just got that off of GIS.
137. Good. Can you print? I did find one of our firemen is in Austin. He can swing by and pick up sandbags. I don't know if Dave was listening on this one or. I cannot right now. Go.
Yeah, this is Heath. Did you need sand to accompany those? Do you have a sand source? We're trying to put a truck together to head down with all of it.
41. I do have a number on a COD for that subject if it's the same one.
Yeah, we'll need some sand with that, yes.
Copy. We'll advise when I get the word. Deputy 1 to Adams Fire.
So are any of these warnings expiring in the next hour?
Yeah, I think a lot of them are.
Yeah, I just clicked
Also,
on
it's-
one that
it's-
says expiring in 15 minutes. No,
It's occurred-
15
It's
hours.
occurred to me that they can still not hear the beeping.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why that is. If I could fix it, that would be great. I don't know why it's broken. I have no clue.
Adams Fire 5001 was calling you on County Fire.
Yeah. they
Well, I
can't
wouldn't
hear the
worry about
beeping.
it's too bad tonight because at least you don't have the severe tornado stuff.
Yeah. Well, that makes me mad.
Maybe you can get it fixed in the next, between now and the next time we get on there.
Yeah, I'll get it fixed. I'll play with it. I have the others, like, I have a U on the Discord, and I have the, like, my Google Chrome set up, and it's fine. It's just Aguacero doesn't work for it.
There should be a pallet of empty bags and shovels in the county shop shed there. So trying to coordinate getting them filled for you, or getting people in to fill.
Right.
Copy. You're talking to county shop east of town here.
I just saw something flashing over here in Montana.
I believe that'll be the same thing I just saw pop up. Yep, that's the New Sphere Thunderstorm warning.
Great
For a
Falls
little bean
near.
over here. Oh, that little bean's producing some quarter-size hail. And 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Mine says 60-mile-an-hour winds, 1-inch hail, expires in 37 minutes.
Yeah.
Adams Fire to
Got them
500.
clicked on in the middle there.
All right, Adam.
I don't know why my
Is there
fans are going
currently any
crazy. Where did I?
filled sandbags
Oops.
at the county shop? I have a guy up in Austin that could possibly.
Oh,
catch
got
some
another flashing here.
filled ones and then get them
They're
a little
updating
quicker,
that
maybe.
watch.
Yeah, updating right there where, what's his name was? Adam.
Lucia.
Oh yeah, copy.
Yeah.
Lucio. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, it's my CPU's running so hot because I'm running so much stuff in Chrome. That makes sense. Honestly, that cooler I bought is doing its job, so
That's good.
it's a good test for it.
That's-
So it gets a little loud, but I can easily kind of tune it out.
Open up the gates at the county shop.
Got
and
something
have-
else here flashing.
We can get the filling going there.
They're talking about filling bags with something. I don't know what they're on about.
They're probably doing sandbags because of
That's
the
what-
flooding.
That's what it sounds like. And we have a tornado warning issued. This
no.
is in. Wait, let me think. What is this square state over
County
here?
Road 19
Quick.
between
I don't know.
United States
Michigan,
map.
Wisconsin?
30th. It's gone down a lot.
It's
but
a
there's
it's a
still water
square
coming
just
over
south of
here.
Montana. Wyoming. I'm so good.
Between 230 and
All right, so this is for Laramie, Wyoming, and if we take a look,
Laramie,
Laramie, sorry. What is
Yeah.
this? What are we?
Asper. Marion, Gillette.
If I'm not mistaken, this is side lobe contamination.
Hmm.
Because I see the couplet, but I also see that there's no correlation with the storm. What are we doing? I know these places out in Wyoming don't get tornadoes that often, but like I don't know, we're out here warning side lobe contamination. Anyways, you have a considerable damage threat, severe thunderstorm warning for 70-mile-an-hour winds up here. This is in Stanford, Montana, Hobson, Moore, Lewistown, Danvers, and Amherst. So if you're anywhere around these areas, I would treat this incoming storm like a tornado because it is packing the 7-mile-an-hour winds. So when it comes through there, it will pack a punch on you.
Right there at Bozeman. Is that where you said?
I said
Osmond?
Hobson, Moore, Lewistown, Stanford, up in Montana. I see it on your screen.
Great Falls? Stanford, okay.
Stanford, there you go.
Fire on Fireman.
I found it.
Why is this next fire?
We are switching over to the scanner here in Albany County so we can hear anything going on with this tornado warning. Because I am curious at where in the world this came from. Nothing being said on their feed right now. We'll listen for a few minutes.
I see a flashing right beside Adam's picture there.
I might see the rotation they're looking at. No, I don't see it. Ooh. It's really intriguing.
564 Laramie.
Go ahead.
564 Laramie for EMA and National Weather Service. There is rotation. It's moving northeast, and it's still got us.
I copy. I'm headed out there. I'll let you know what I can find.
Oh, we have a law enforcement officer heading out to confirm the side lobe contamination. I'm like 50-50 on whether this is side lobed or not. It's really weird. What can I need to refresh my radar manually here. Here we go. Now if we look at it, it still doesn't line up with this is so weird. I mean, it's got like a little bit of a hook, I guess you could call it. I didn't expect tornadoes in Wyoming today. Oh, they just shrunk it.
Oh, wow. Here's another flashing over here.
They've clarified a little bit, I guess, on
Marine.
this polygon, but this is I don't know. I don't like it. It's not a too favorable of a warning, in my opinion.
Oh, goodness.
What in the world?
Key West, Florida, Michael Craddock.
I guess we're storm chasing the cruise
In the ocean.
the cruises now.
Wow.
That's
I
hilarious.
just happened to notice him down in there.
Okay, so this rotation has proved itself to me. I don't think it's side lobe anymore because now the reflectivity is kind of caught up with it a little bit, and I mean, it's very weak. But I mean, I'd say it probably deserves a warning now.
Well, I think it's better to give a warning even if you don't need it than to not give it when you do need it.
Well, then you run into the issue
So,
of like if you start over warning, you kind of discredit yourself.
right. But I mean, they're just trying to keep people safe, I guess,
Yeah. We
Kind of
have had
flash.
both overwarning and underwarning be big issues
Right.
in the past. One example is Joplin. They overwarned so much for storms that never produced. When the big massive EF5 went through there in 2011, nobody expected anything to happen, so they heard that tornado warning. They associated it with nothing ever happening.
Yeah. But I mean, if it were me, I'd rather have the warning and try to be safe just in case,
Yeah.
you know. I mean, I can't look at everybody else's perspective. I'm just thinking of my own family's safety and stuff.
Yeah.
And that's the way people should look at it. It's better to get to a safe space for an hour or so, even if you don't need it, than to not have the warning and not be able to get to a safe space in plenty of time because you didn't get a warning.
Yeah.
Because I mean, some people think, oh, we've always been lucky. We've never had to go through all of this. But there are a lot of people go through it all the time. And a lot of people have lost family members and homes and vehicles and everything else, because of all these storms.
Yeah. Oh, and there was a tornado the other day. I was surprised PDS warning happened at a slight risk. Let me pull up the rating for it is somewhere here. Yeah, it happened yesterday. Was it yesterday that I'm thinking of? That was yesterday? Oh, that was yesterday. Okay. So it's an EF2 tornado that happened yesterday, and it caused one injury. It was out of nowhere. It's just random kind of PDS tornado warning that we saw pop up here in Minnesota. They're calling it the Floyd Lake tornado. Here's a picture of its path I can show you.
Copy, have a good night, 1802.
Did you see this flashing that I just saw from Myrtle Beach?
No, click on it.
Right here?
Yeah. That's a
Beach hazard statement.
I've never heard of that.
I don't either, but it says it doesn't expire until tomorrow. I just noticed it flashing while you were talking, and I zoomed in on it to see what it said. It's for Myrtle Beach, Georgetown, and this little area here.
Strong south to north longshore currents.
Is that what it's telling you?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's just such a small spot there. I barely saw it.
Literally got issued a minute ago.
Yeah.
So they have shrunk this warning down significantly since they issued it like 5 minutes ago.
Huh. Yeah, I think I'm going to get off of here about 8:30.
All right.
Because I don't think we're going to get anything anyway, but
Yeah.
everything seems to be shrinking down and slowing down.
Well, I think our primary threat goes until 10, but it really hasn't, been a lot. It was less than I was expecting.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. I like to get on here anyway sometimes so that we can just stay in touch with everything.
Yeah. Also, I've changed up some stuff since the last time we were on like 2 weeks ago, so it was a good opportunity to figure out how some of this works.
Yeah.
Because it's like relearning everything after you change the stuff.
Hmm.
Oh, 25 years ago, yesterday I believe there was that F2 tornado that rolled through Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. 36 people were injured. It was a very photogenic and widely photographed tornado.
Wow. Oh, I see. Kentucky has a flashing here.
I didn't see anything on my end.
Oh, it's a
Oh,
flood
it's a
watch.
flood watch. That would explain it.
Expires in 3 days, yeah. And then I saw something flashing over here. Probably just an update on that. Ooh.
Registration returns on a 2006 Saab Asian color. Registration is expired as of 1/31/2026.
I'm freezing.
Even this one.
Shouldn't be an issue because it is currently
90 degrees out there.
Yeah. Well, it was 80. The reading in Anderson taking was 87. The reading just to the south of Charlotte was 95. That's the latest surface observations.
Right now where we're at, the phone says 88.
Oh, okay, that's about accurate.
But I hear the air running.
Yeah, I don't know when these surface observations were taken. So
1590 west exit.
You know, Elaine keeps me informed of a lot of times of Newberry, and it seems that Newberry sometimes is a couple degrees higher than it is here.
yeah, well they sit further to the coast, so
Yeah. And we're a little closer to the mountains and stuff.
yeah. Oh, so fun fact. According to the 2020 census, nobody lives in this tornado warning. Like, that is a ripe 0 people, 0 schools, and 0 hospitals in this tornado warning.
Really?
I didn't know that until just a second ago.
Wow.
There's like a road here, and the rotation is weakened. This could really be canceled anytime. I think it could be replaced with a tour possible severe thunderstorm warning. There was no severe thunderstorm warning here before a tornado warning just got issued kind of out of the blue for it. They have updated the considerable flash flooding warning. Considerable flash flood warning, sorry.
Last name Kellogg, King Edward Lincoln.
I don't see any
George, first name Ken.
notable updates to read off.
Nor Edward Tom Henry. Date of birth 1950-07.
Okay, these guys in Wyoming do not care about that tornado warning. They are going on their business doing something completely different.
They probably know that it's not going to do anything.
Yeah, they know that nothing's happening. Like, they had one transmission related to the tornado warning. This one officer said he's gonna go see what I can see, and then he didn't say anything. Yeah, nothing after that.
I can't stop yawning, and I'm shivering and shaking. I'm so cold.
We've got that trucking route with the empties, but it sounds like there could be some of the empty bags in the sand pile or near the sand pile, a pallet of them down in Adams already. If you made it
They're
to
still
the
talking about
shop
them sandbags. You hear?
Yeah.
Copy. We found a few here at the fire hall too, so we currently are starting to fill them. So I'll have them look for them by the sand pile too. Copy that. Yeah, they're en route with
They usually don't worry about sandbags unless they need sandbags to keep the shores of lakes and rivers and streams and stuff like that overflowing and running
Yeah,
into the
I'm not sure what
roads.
the sandbags are supposed to accomplish.
I mean, just putting them in the roads doesn't really help a whole lot, I wouldn't think.
They have
Oh, I
issued a
see a
new
little
flash
tiny
flood
light.
warning for Cheyenne, Wyoming here. This is radar indicated flash flooding. There's a lot of rain falling here right now, and I guess they expect it to keep falling. The notes say here between half an inch and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen, with more storms on the way. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. I feel like the main story today has been flash flooding instead of these
Yeah.
those high winds. I don't think we're gonna see a lot of those, to be honest.
Yeah, it must be a good bit of rainfall and a good bit of flooding.
shutting down southbound traffic. POC copy. Dexter.
Oh, Montana. No, Idaho. Yeah, Montana. Near right below Butte, Montana. Special weather statements. 3/4 inch hail, 50-mile-an-hour winds. Expires in 1 hour.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Some guy here has the call sign 607, and I keep hearing him talk. It's like the same dude.
Oh, Georgia.
It's off the coast.
Yeah.
What even is that?
I don't know
Oh,
if
a
it's
special
a
marine
special
warning.
marine warning. Wind 34 kts, 34 knots.
Yeah.
Expires in 32 minutes.
141 station. 31. Squad will be clear. No report.
Cumberland Island National Seashore. So is that an island out there or?
Yeah, I guess so.
Near Brunswick, Folkestone, Fernandino Beach.
I love how there's not any storms anywhere else around there.
I don't know what's caused that. Just a wind picking up, I guess.
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a call they're about to make. Somebody's getting paged out to something.
Oh, okay.
Broward County LEC to Leroy Ambulance. Please respond to 230 Main Street West for medical of a female patient actively seizing.
Is that a 911 call center?
This is the this is just the dispatch audio for Austin, Minnesota. This is Mower County.
You see this flashing right above Milwaukee?
Milwaukee.
It just quit flashing now.
That's special Marine warning. I don't have those turned on. They're useless.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what it is. Doesn't look like we've had many changes.
Yeah.
Oh, they
Fun
just
fact,
did
they have a
something.
SpaceX rocket launch scheduled for 5:05 on Thursday morning. That tomorrow, I think. Yeah, tomorrow morning. If it launches on time, we would have a great chance of seeing the jellyfish cloud. The launch window is from 5:05 to 9:05. Here is the here's your chance of seeing it. So if you're in South Carolina, the entirety of South Carolina, basically the entirety of North Carolina, some of Tennessee, some of Virginia, and some of West Virginia, you are very likely to be able to see it when that rocket launches. If you're in Georgia, Alabama, Middle Tennessee, Kentucky, kind of up through here, you have a kind of possible. Oh, I'm not even showing you guys this. You have a possible chance of seeing it, and if you're in the red here, you're very unlikely to see it. The entire state of Florida has a possible chance to see it. Really interesting stuff. I might have to wake up at 5:05 tomorrow.
5 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okie dokie.
Look south and southeast if you're trying to see that jellyfish cloud. It'll actually look pretty cool.
Salt Lake City, Utah has special warnings weather statement, 55-mile-an-hour winds, expiring in 1 hour.
Yeah. No, this is not what I want. No, stop.
You see where Adam is?
Yeah.
They took that circling off of there that was circled.
Oh, yeah, that was just those MCDs expiring.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm right by the school. 10-4.
Here's
You know, when the
Nebraska.
weather's quiet, it is our duty to report on the SpaceX rocket launches.
All right, see you.
Okay. So near Central City, 50-mile-an-hour winds and 3/4-inch hail.
$5691 Lamar County, put me en route and on scene.
That's in Nebraska.
1518.
Yeah. What is this? All right, this is the GFS's prediction. What is that noise?
I don't hear
Is
anything.
that ringing in my ear?
I don't hear anything
I don't know
from
what
here.
that was. I think my ear was just ringing. This is the GFS for July 16th. I'm not even showing it to you. I need to get better at that. Whoopsies. All right, so this is the GFS, as I said, for July 16th that afternoon. As you can see, if you're on the plains, you're cooked. 112, 107, 107, 104, 109, 105, 104, 100, 108, 104, 100, 102, 103, 98,
Wow.
89, 96, 103, 105. Down here in the southeast, if you're in South Carolina or North Carolina, 95, 94, 96. Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. If you're on the West Coast, you know what? Everybody in the country is going to get on the cooking on July 16th, according to the GFS. Okay, so I mean, just get
Wow.
ready. It's coming for you. I mean, there's nothing we can do about it.
Heat wave.
Yeah, with the big.
Is there something causing this?
Nah, I don't know. I just know it's going to be hot. I don't like it. If you're in the Appalachian and the Rocky Mountains, you might get a little bit of a break. You know, like Western North Carolina, Kentucky, those places, you might get off scot-free with a crisp 83 degrees.
Yeah, if you can find a waterfall to huddle under.
Yeah, you might need some water to achieve that. That's like conditional. Actually, I'm really curious. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to check on the models. We are going to forecast this ourselves. Wait, I clicked the wrong button. Wait, I also clicked the wrong button. I might have it. What is this? The, Oh, I have no clue what I'm doing. Completely messing this up. No, stop. Alright, let's take a look at the GFS over here. This is the 12Z GFS. And we're looking at temperature, not dew point. Surface temperatures. What was this, July 16th we were just looking at? I mean, look at this. This is marvelly bad. Yeah, this is terrible. The today's models have downtrended on that, so that's the good news. If we go back over to yesterday's, this is what we were just looking at. That's gonna be insufferable here. If you're in the plains or the southeast here, it's gonna be hot. Let's see if the Euro wants the same thing to happen. What was this, the 18Z Euro? It only goes out to the 13th. We need the 12Z Euro. And it wants the same thing to happen. Alright, so July 16th is just going to be a cooker. Alright, if you're out on July 16th, don't go out. That's my advice. North Carolina, Virginia, Florida, all of y'all are cooked. Everybody's cooked. Yeah, that's my advice. Seattle, 68, I'm jealous. Oh, and it's come to my attention that they can't hear you on here. Or the scanner. Let's fix that. Let's copy this over to the... But bam! Alright, they can hear you now. Yeah, this is ridiculous. And here's the real kicker. Let's look at the dews here. And it's, for a lot of you, it's going to be muggy. Okay. Yeah, if you're in the plains, and if you're in the southeast, just go ahead and pack it up. Yeah, just pack it up. I don't know what else to say.
Find you some ice cubes.
Yeah, that's what you need. Look over here. These folks on the West Coast, it's going to be dry heat for them, not for us. We're not lucky enough for that. What is this? This is the 12Z GFS, and this is the relative humidity. Yeah, this is terrible. Who wants this? Like, genuinely, who wants this?
Well, you know how they tell you if it's a tornado or storm, whatever, you get in the bathtub, huddle down in there. What you have to do with this kind of heat index and heat weather is get in the bathtub, fill it full of ice cold water with ice cubes.
Yeah, that's what you're going to have to do. Like, there's no other way to go about this.
Because the air conditioner just can't keep up.
Yeah, I mean, your air conditioner is going to break. Speaking of which, I mean, let's look at the heat index. I mean, why not? And it's going to be about the same. The humidity really won't change it for a lot of folks.
I'm just not getting in there.
which is good news. But it's still gonna feel like 105. So I mean,
Well, you get you a cooler full of iced tea and drinks
I don't
and
yeah,
sit by the bathtub.
yeah. So bottom line, make sure you're staying hydrated.
Yeah.
Confirm. And subjects that have the same name.
Oh Lord.
Not even knowing the date of birth. I'm not showing anybody at that particular address, although there is one subject listed out of San Antonio, Texas.
Copy.
They're not even talking about the flooding anymore. They're talking about people from San Antonio.
Wow.
Clear for now. I'll follow up.
What's going on in San Antonio, Texas?
I don't know. Some guy came from there as apparently criming it up in Austin.
Hmm.
I invented that phrase, criming it up.
Grind it up. Yeah, I thought I'd never heard that before.
Well, you probably never
That's-
have.
Oh, what is this? Look.
Oh, it's a new MCD.
Yeah, what is it?
Oh, I don't know. I'm about to find out. I ain't seen it yet.
Hail 1.25.
A transition
Winds?
from semi-discrete supercells to a linear storm mode has occurred and will promote an increase in severe winds downstream into eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. So our tornado chances look to be kaput.
Hmm.
Peak wind 55 to 70 miles an hour. And I do believe
wind.
kind of this is what they're referring to. Yeah, you can see it's going to start forming a line, it looks like soon. So it's going to push on down and deliver some strong winds to these people. But
Yeah, it just popped up there. Oh, we have something over here in Denver again.
I have no clue what that is.
Special weather statement. 50 to 55 mile an hour winds and 3/4 inch hail.
Oh, that tornado warning back in Albany County, Wyoming, has been allowed to expire for a while now.
Yeah.
We're at 24 severe thunderstorm warnings. 0. Oh, we just went up to 25. 0 tornado warnings.
Well, it's just severe rain and thunderstorms and a little bit of hail, a lot of flooding.
Yeah.
Next week, when it's supposed to be that hot, there probably won't be any flooding then.
Yeah.
Everybody
it'll
will be
all
wishing they had
evaporate
more
too
water.
fast.
I think I'm going to unplug my computer and get off of here. I had it plugged up because it was low. It's 100% now.
Oh, yeah.
My speakers are hot. You know, I don't use the sound on my computer too often, except for when we do all of this.
Yeah, I think your speakers getting hot might be just kind of how some of that air gets exhausted.
Yeah. No, I'm not worried about it. It's just,
Yeah.
I noticed it hot because I was unplugging it. And your finger kind of touches on there when you unplug it.
Yeah.
Are you going to stay on here for a while?
I might for another 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Room 105 for a male subject that
I
they would
think I'm
like
going to go
move
ahead
from the
and
room due to non-payment.
get off
I'll
because
come into the call.
I had a long day today.
Yeah.
So,
All right, I'll stay with it for a few minutes. If
all right. Well,
nothing else happens, I'll be right behind you.
can you mute us for just a second?
Yeah, I got it. So we know a lot of you are under that severe thunderstorm watch. You might not know what the difference is between that severe thunderstorm watch and severe thunderstorm warning. Well, good news for you, you're about to find out. Probably the biggest question in weather history is, what's the difference between a watch and a warning. Today, you'll find out a tornado or severe thunderstorm watch is issued when conditions are favorable for tornadoes or severe thunderstorms. A watch issuance means that a tornado or thunderstorm is not currently in your area. However, this is your time to prepare. Prep your storm shelter. Make sure your devices are charged. Review your emergency plan with your family and gather all necessary supplies. As a reminder, a tornado or severe thunderstorm warning can be issued at any time. A warning, on the other hand, means that a tornado or severe thunderstorm is ongoing. When a warning is issued, move to your storm shelter. Tune into local radio, TV, or other source of weather news for the latest information and when it will be safe to come out of your shelter. Remain calm and prepare yourself for when it's time to emerge from your storm shelter. Staying weather aware will keep you and your loved ones safe. Welcome back. I am now flying solo. Oh. I just locked my computer. On a complete accident. I don't even know what I did. It was one of the hotkeys I pressed. Anyways, I'm trying to fix my buttons here, so don't mind me. I'm gonna do that for a second. So we are going to see kind of an increase in that wind threat now that the storms have transitioned into that linear storm mode. So I'll stay on with you for about 15-30 minutes to see if that materializes into anything. And then after that, I'll hit the offline button and go spend some time in the other room. I do take a interest in doing this, though. This is fun. Even when I don't get to show you the cool video I spent an hour making because there hasn't been an SVRD in our coverage. Maybe we'll get one another 30 minutes. Who knows? Maybe that's my maybe that could be my motivation to stay on with it. Get to show you my video I made. I don't really know what to say when I'm here by myself, so hopefully that that scanner in the background there kind of helps. So if you're kind of like tuning in, you know that somebody's on the other side and it's not just a static screen with nothing going on. At least that's my hope. I experimented with a thing, and I'll see if I can show it to you, where instead of the today's threat, it's latest news. But I haven't been able to make that work. I have not like that switching. I think I tried to write a script, and I tried to use this like OBS plugin to make it work. Nothing worked. It also bugs me that you guys can't hear the beeping. I would like for you guys to be able to hear the beeping when I'm on Aguacero. Because, I mean, like, I hear that beeping. I feel like, I mean, you guys see it in the corner. And if you're not looking at the screen, hearing that beep and kind of knowing what's what might give you that indication of what's going on. But the beeping is currently not working. I'm going to try to work on that.
Just
Oh, crap. Okay, new tornado warning in effect here in Aurora, Hampton. This is in, crap. Nebraska. This is a confirmed funnel cloud by weather spotters. I didn't expect that. That was so random. Is this like law enforcement confirmed something? No? Weather spotters reported funnel cloud, so...
Thank you, OSP 407. Did you have traffic?
There's not a, there's not a lot of rotation. That was strange. Yeah, I guess, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on here. The storm spotter said it's real though, so it's got to be real. If you're in Aurora or Hampton, in Nebraska here and downstream Bradshaw, get to shelter. I mean, I don't know if these are the type of folk that go out and sit on your front porch and watch the storm. I wouldn't recommend you do that, but.
Station will be out.
Cover.
406 traffic.
Cover.
Grand
Dexter
Island.
to 500. Is County 2 closed west of Dexter?
I'm Kiana, and I leveled up my business with Shop.
All right, I'm pulling up the scanner right now, so maybe we'll see what kind of law enforcement chatter's going on here. All right, we're about to see. Does the National Weather Service just like take like reports for anything? This is strange. Anybody on the storm? Nobody on the storm.
Iowa.
Aurora, Nebraska traffic cameras. Here's a view of Aurora along I-80 from the Nebraska Department of Transportation. You can see those clouds and that rain wall off in the distance, but I'm not seeing a funnel. Oh, that's interesting. And this is the one traffic camera we have. Ah. This is intriguing. Why is it not working? Hello? 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 Oh, there it goes. I fixed it. One thing I will say is the hail associated with this storm is a lot. There's a lot of hail. So you take a look at that on the correlation coefficient, and you can see it on the radar.
Hampton Fire, Aurora.
Hampton Fire, go ahead.
It's echoey in that dispatch
Be
center.
deploying Hampton tornado sirens.
They're just now setting off the tornado. What?
10-4 deploying tornado sirens, 1942.
Hampton is just now turning on the tornado sirens, I guess. They have updated and extended this tornado warning. It is now radar indicated. What? But I can't with these National Weather Service offices in Wyoming. What is radar indicated about this?
Aurora 3, emergency management. Aurora 3, Aurora.
Okay, I think I see what they're looking at, but it doesn't match up. I don't know.
Have you had contact with emergency management?
Yes, we had first contact. I am attempting to make 1025 again now.
Careful.
1943.
Hampton Fire, Aurora.
Hampton Fire, go ahead.
Unit 21, out on storm watch.
Engine 21 is out on storm watch. You heard that, guys. Oh, God.
Go ahead.
Oh. That was weird. What's my GPU usage looking like? Oh, it's at 81%. Okay. We love to see it. We love to see it. CPU cranking as well at the high speeds. That's what we love to see. I love to see that 7800X 3D working. This thing is a beast. Not only for gaming, but it's a beast for weather as well. Everything I need to do, it does. So, you know what? Why would I ever complain? I think when this tornado warning finally expires, I'll just pack it up. I don't know. What is this? The rotation is finally lined up with the reflectivity. I guess. At the same time everything gets quiet, my CPU temperature starts falling down. I'm watching the little temp monitor I have over here. It's kind of funny. I jinxed myself. So we've got probably 10 minutes left here. We'll be right at the 2.5 hour mark. I think tonight I'm gonna get a Microsoft Flight Simulator. I'm gonna fly through some big city with pretty lights. That's my plan. That's how I'm spending my night. I want to wake up early. I want to see that rocket launch. What time was it at again? I posted it somewhere. I should go back and repost that. 5:05. So I'm gonna have to wake up like early. You know what? It's worth it. My only thing is like, what if you like can't like see it, and then I've just wasted all my time. 'God, does the quality look that bad for you guys? What is this? This is terrible. I wouldn't want to watch this. This is bad. It's only the radar. Can I fix it? This is bad. Bop. Let's see if that fixes it. Bop. Let's see if that fixes it. That's a little bit better. We'll see how it works. I'm going to turn off the echo of myself now. The tornado warning has been shrunk. They're going to hopefully let it expire in 8 minutes. I mean, the rotation is not there, so yeah. Oh, yeah, they're going to let that expire. I hope. I hope that by trimming it, that's kind of what, what their intention that they're trying to show is. Here in Austin, Minnesota, and Mower County, the storms have moved out, but the flash flooding will kind of still be impacting that community. Unfortunately. Nothing new on scanners. Here it is. Literally won't let me zoom in on it. It's so small. Here's our little baby tornado warning, and the rotation is gone, like I said. So Hampton and Aurora, you will be clear from this, I believe, in 4 minutes. I doubt they're going to replace this with a tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, this is definitely weakened below severe limits, and I expect them to allow this to expire in 4 minutes. No, ignore northern Michigan. That's not what I want. Remind me to respond to Edward in 15 minutes.
I've set a reminder to respond to Edward at 9:11 p.m.
No, thank you.
I've set a reminder to respond to Edward.
No, I get it. No, thank you. Oh, Lord. Lordy, Lord, Lord. Here's the latest view from that same Nebraska Department of Transportation camera I showed you earlier of that tornado warning. And as you can see here, it is nothing that you can see but a wall of rain. Not really much anything of significance, if you ask me. What is going on over here? It's now 2 minutes until these folks in Aurora and Hampton are completely clear of the tornado warning. Why are tilts so slow when you try to go up in tilts on Lago Zero? I don't get it. What is this? What is this? What? Actually, what is this? Oh, God. I wouldn't be surprised if they warned that. It's longer I gotta sit here. Did it go up in tilts? That's the biggest test over here. Nope. All right, our tornado warning has officially expired. Aurora and Hampton, you are in the clear. I was wrong. They did issue a severe thunderstorm warning for the storm right at the expiration time, but it is not marked with that tornado possible tag. So the National Weather Service meteorologists do not expect that to produce another, start to produce another tornado. So we are officially down to 0 tornado warnings. Now, I mentioned this little thing of rotation it looked like on the radar. That looks to be side lobe contamination, because if we go up in tilts, that doesn't correspond with anything. The same thing on storm relative. Nothing kind of corresponds there. So that is officially contamination. See, I think that is my cue to sign off for the night. I think I'm going to go. Yeah, I think I'm going to go. Oh, God. I didn't have a bad time tonight. I knew we weren't going to see a lot, but I mean, it gave me a chance to test out some of my tools that I've been working on, or my toys, as I call them. Let me know if you like the scanner playing in the background. I kind of like it. It gives us kind of like that instant perspective on what's happening in the outside world, instead of me having to go up and look that up and kind of fetch those transcripts and read through them. Still more improvements to come. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.